the power to your hot tub should be off, either by turning it off at the circuit breakers in the sub-panel or by unplugging it from the outlet if it's a 110-volt model. You can check your owner's manual for more information about this. Now it's time to add water. To prevent air bubbles from getting trapped in your hot tub's plumbing, you'll want to fill your hot tub through the standpipe. Just remove the filter and place the hose down into the standpipe, the one with the gray cap. Fill the hot tub until the water level is 1 inch above the highest jet. Now you're ready to power on your hot tub. For this step, please consult your hot tub's owner's manual as the directions vary based on the voltage of your hot tub. If your spa is equipped with a diagnostic logo light, it may now be blinking. Once your hot tub is powered on, test out the jets by pushing the jets icon on the home screen. Once you've confirmed the jets are fully operational, you can turn them off. Next, set the temperature to your desired level, at least 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to balance the water. Check the water for proper pH, alkalinity, and calcium levels. Adjust the pH and alkalinity as needed to balance the water.